Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find out the Facebook usernames on a laptop or PC. So in here, you can just open your Facebook on browser. So go to the facebook.com and then just log into your account. And the first thing that you can do to find out your username is just you can go to your profile view, so click on your name on Facebook, and in here at the page address, you can see after the slash, this is your user names. Okay, so that's the first thing that you can do. Or the second way is you can just go to the settings, so click on this or your photo profile at the top right corner, then go to the settings and privacy, click on settings, and after that go to the account center, this one, and then here click on your Facebook here, and you can see this is username. Click on this and you can see this is your current username, and you can also change it if you want to. You can delete this one and enter the new one and then click on that. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.